So, the door's open. It's open a little bit. And it's because it's frozen. I can't actually get it open. So now I have to sit here while the van warms up because the diesel heater wasn't working. It's -5 and everything's frozen. As you can see, there's a gap in the door there, but down there the door doesn't open. So I think it's frozen solid on the corner. So I think I might try and pour some hot water down there, see if that works. Oh my god, that's better. Right, so what have we learnt, kids? We've learnt that it's a bad idea to run out of diesel for your diesel heater when it's going to be the coldest day yet in the van. So before I do anything else today, I'm going to go straight to the garage, get some diesel and make sure I keep an eye on the levels when I'm using it this much. I'm not used to using it this much, so I don't know how much it takes. Everything was frozen, everything inside, all of it was frozen. I was all right. That electric blanket, oh, perfect. I decided to do a spot of recycling while I was at the petrol station, and I also thought I would try and grab an arty shot of me driving away. What I didn't expect was after I craftily placed my GoPro, a local would come along and do her recycling, completely unaware that my camera's there. She also gave me a little cheeky smile. Did you spot that? So thank you, whoever you are, unknown Swedish lady. Okay, so that's the diesel all filled up. I've done the van and I've done the diesel heater and we're all back up and running. So today I am going bowling. I've got a couple of hours before I need to be at the bowling alley. So what I think I'm going to do is go and find a nice little spot by the sea, make myself a cup of coffee, have a little bit of a wander and just generally chill out for a bit. haven't really explained why I'm in Sweden, and especially why I'm in Sweden at Christmas. And the reason is I've got two daughters and they both live here. So I come to Scandinavia fairly often. I don't always come in the van, but this time there was no other option. So I drove up here and decided to have an extended stay. This afternoon, I'm going to go bowling with my 11-year-old daughter in a place called Stenungsund, which is a lovely little town by the sea on the west coast of Sweden, just north of Gothenburg. So that's going to be fun, and she'll probably wipe the floor with me. But yeah, I'll drink my coffee so I'm at full strength, and then we'll head over to the bowling alley. Okay, so we had good fun at the bowling alley, and Lily, my daughter, did absolutely wipe the floor with me. She kept getting strikes and I kept rolling my ball straight into the gutter. Now I think I'm going to cook myself something nice for dinner and then settle in for the evening. It's really cold out, so I'm going to make the bed and then settle in to probably watch some YouTube.
Know the entire question.
A brilliant man, Willie Rushton was. You've put coward. What animated Disney film teaches sometimes? Terrible place to see. Okay, that's how it probably be. It's got a lovely, yes, Spear Castle, Chester's Plate. Correct that. Yes, good. You've put. Well played, Chaser. Blue scene of your team.
It's cold for everybody outside. So the heating is...
And now I'm nicely full up after having spaghetti bolognese with massive mushrooms. I do like a big mushroom. And I also like chocolate bananas. Best thing ever. So, I shouldn't have eaten that now. Right, finished it. So, anyway, it's -5 out. It's really cold. So, I'm going to go to bed, watch YouTube, and I don't know, just keep warm. I think it's nice and warm in here. I do hope you enjoyed this video. Please consider liking and subscribing down there, and I would be very, very grateful for that. If you've got anything to say about this video, please do comment below. If you've got any questions or suggestions or recommendations, or just generally to tell me to shut up, you baldy bastard, then go ahead, and I'll see you next week.
And good Christmas, one and all. Today we're going to be celebrating Christmas. In my world right now it is December the 19th, but in your world it is probably Boxing Day when you're watching this, because that's when I'm going to upload.